Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the column stores true Excel dates. Formatting matters because Excel compares serial numbers, not visible text. Once done, make a quick backup copy to avoid accidental changes. Next, select the exact range or column you want to search, narrowing the range speeds operations and avoids false matches. Make sure header rows are excluded, and note whether you need exact date, month, or year matches before moving to the next step. You can press Ctrl+F and search the displayed date. Under Options, set Look into Values so Excel compares what you see. If you need partial matches, insert a helper column using text, cell, YIMM, month, or year to extract components. This helps filter by month or year. For dynamic results, use COUNTIF to count or index match to return rows. Once helper formulas are confirmed, convert formulas to values if you want static results, and apply a filter to finish. Decide if you need static results. Copy the found rows or helper column and paste special as values. This preserves the search output. If you find no matches, check for hidden time parts or text formatted dates. Times make exact comparisons fail. When formats are inconsistent, wrap the cell in value, or use date value to coerce text into real dates, then reformat the column as date. If problems persist, clear filters and rerun the Find with Look in Set to Values.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.